Back in Illinois, Governor J.B. Pritzker and his team assessed tornado damage in hard-hit Kankakee County. Pritzker says he is confident the federal government will help with the recovery.
The damage here is devastating. And I think that the fact that it's evident just by, looking at pictures really, or walking around, you can see that this community needs help.
Here in Aroma Park, Tuesday's storm damaged nearly 500 buildings and destroyed at least 30 homes. One of those homes belonged to a couple already making plans to rebuild.
The couple spoke with our Noel Brennan about not losing their sense of humor during a difficult time.
We're along Shaftesbury Road in Aroma Park, where house after house looks just like this one. The couple that lives here credits their faith for getting them through some very tense moments as an EF3 tornado tore through their house and neighborhood. Home feels unfamiliar from the inside.
There's lots of nails out here.
And out.
Looks like a war zone.
Nothing like what Shaftesbury Road in Aroma Park used to be.
Quiet neighborhood. Until last Tuesday.
You're right.
Alan and Brenda Gray have lived here 17 years.
We're a husband and wife team.
Forever a team. They even faced a tornado together.
And we knew it was coming. We got the warnings, but you know how you think, I got a lot of time.
But once I heard that hail breaking windows, I ran into the basement.
An EF3 tornado roared above and turned the couple's home into something unrecognizable.
Once it stopped and cleared, I went upstairs and tried to survey the damage.
Yeah.
I mean, immediately once I got upstairs, I could see the house opening from the roof, from the front of the house, and all over.
They lost walls, windows, and a roof, not to mention rows of trees in the backyard.
That was our tree line. You see I took it down?
They lost their garage and the cars parked inside.
Yeah, insurance will probably replace hopefully both of them.
Yet after all they lost, they hang on to their sense of humor.
I made a joke, it's not funny, but I was always telling my husband I want to knock out a few walls and add a couple of spaces, enlarge my kitchen, so I guess we get to do that at this point.
Brenda and Alan already know they will rebuild here.
Oh yeah.
That's the plan.
Yeah, that's the plan.
That's the plan.
A tornado has forced them to move out for now, but they know it's just temporary.
I just trust that those that want to rebuild will, and then this will be that same calm, comforting subdivision that it always has been for us. The Grays are staying in hotels for now and looking for some longer-term housing, but they already have plans to rebuild on this exact same spot. They don't want to leave the neighborhood they love. Reporting from Aroma Park, Noel Brennan, CBS News, Chicago.
Thinking of the Grays and all those that need to rebuild.